Hi guys, welcome to my unboxing of the Akko World Tour Tokyo Keycap set, the wrist rest, and the desk mat. I've been waiting for this for like 6 months now. I actually wanted to get the revision 1 of the keycap set, but that one did not have Hiragana characters, and when the revision 2 came out, I was like, I had to get that, you know. Okay, so first off, let's start off with the desk mat. Alright, the packaging is a little damaged here, but oh well. So this one is Japanese themed, obviously, and well, it's a pink shade. It's really pink actually. Alright. Oh, it's really nice. Okay, let me get the whole thing here. My camera angle might not be wide enough, but yes, you get your Maneki Neko Cat, the shrine, Mount Fuji, some sakura leaves, you know, the Japanese sunset. It's really nice. The shade of pink it's really uniform. It's quite soft as well. I really love it. Okay, now the wrist rest. Okay, so if you're wondering, the wrist rest and the desk mat has there's no difference between the revision 1 and the revision 2. It's just the keycaps. So this one, if you've seen it before, it's pretty similar to the other ones you might have seen. Alright, so this is the wrist rest. Okay, so at the bottom there's this rubbery thing for the non-slip pad, sorry, so it doesn't slip. Okay, oh, it actually is like pretty freaking secure. Okay, so I have a TKL keyboard, so this one, so I ordered the TKL version of the wrist rest. Alright, it's a felt material. It's like some cloth material and it's white, so one of my worries is that it will yellow over time. So more on that when I use it for like 6 months to a year and see if it actually yellows. But actually the art on the wrist rest is pretty much the same as the desk mat, but you know, white instead of pink. Now to the start of the show, the revision 2 keycaps. Alright, so R2, and in case you're wondering, like the art on the box, okay, let's check it out first. You know, Asakusa, Tokyo Metro, Shinjuku, Ueno, Shibuya, it's all the signature places of Japan, and also like the signature icons like the koi fish, the sakura. And yeah, it's a really cute keycap set. That's why I bought it. The box is really cute too. This will be an OEM profile keycap, by the way. So let's get to it. Comes in a really nice black box. Lift it. Some foam. Alright. And there it is. Oh. This is why I got the revision 2, okay? It has Hiragana characters, and there's also, I think, some nicer novelties as well. Okay, so the difference between revision 1 and revision 2, the Hiragana characters are not there on revision 1, and I think the novelties are different. I'm pretty sure the novelty, like the mods are different though. Okay. Here's a nice look. Yeah, the Mount Fuji and Sakura tree theme just keeps carrying on. Alright. The material of this is PBT. It's dye subbed. Right, so it's not like double shot or anything, but it's it won't fade over time, unlike ABS, and it's a OEM profile, as I mentioned earlier. Okay, so these are your numpad, arrow keys, and some other keys for extra layouts. Extra keys for other layouts, sorry. Okay, so check out this caps lock. This is the one that's offset. So some keyboards take this kind. Alright, and now the last one is the novelties. Oh. Okay, this is like the best part. Like the reason you will want to get R2 instead of R1. The Hiragana characters and also the novelties. I think this is the right shift. Your left shift, so like the Tokyo Metro, hang on. The Tokyo Metro. Alright, I think this will be your, oh yeah, this is also your right shift for like 65% keyboards, something like that. Okay. And like, your cute novelty keys. The koi fish, I think this is Kyoto Tower or Tokyo Tower, whichever. I think this is Kyoto Tower and this is Tokyo Tower. Your katana and like your extra novelties. Who knew? Oh, and there are like places here as well. Asakusa, Shinjuku, Ueno, Shibuya, and of course, Akihabara. You wouldn't be watching this video if you don't know what Akihabara is, so just kidding. Okay, so yes, I really like the tray as well. A lot of keyboard. Even the cheaper keycap sets, usually they do not come with like such nice trays where everything is like laid out really nicely. So yeah, this concludes my unboxing of the Akko Tokyo World Tour keycap set, desk mat, and wrist rest. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you like the video. Give it a thumbs up, like the video, comment if you want to ask anything, and have a nice day. Thank you for watching.